Good morning, students. Uh, Now today we are going to study about the commuters and the transportation system or the housing pattern or the traffic problem of the issues, which are the issues of the everyday in the city's life or the town's life. We are going to study. Now, the first of all, housing patterns we have studied in your previous classes about the gated community or ghettoizations or the ghettoizations or the gated community now emerging in the present time or the present way of the house pattern in the cities and the towns, or finally house patterns are linked to the economy of the city in crucial ways, and these house patterns are the crucially or importantly attached or interlinked with the economy of the cities and the towns, and the urban transport system is a directly the urban transport system is a directly directly and severely affected by the location of the residential area. Okay, transportation system or the urban transportation system directly or severely affects the location of the residential area relative to the industrial relative to the industrial and the commercial workplaces. Understand this transportation system, residential system, and the working places. Understand these are the these are the severely affected by the transportation system of the any cities and the towns. Understand okay, how the traffics are controlled, how the transportation system affects the working places, affects the affects the residential places. We can have the a lots of problems, and if these are the far apart, now as is often the case, elaborate mass transit system must be created and maintained. If the cities and the residential places are the far away from the towns and the cities and the working places, so there must be, and the working places might be or maybe the away and the far away from the main cities, or whether the working place may be the outskirts of the cities, far away of the outskirts of the city. So now this is a crucially affected, or this must be the this transit system must be maintained, must be created and maintained. How to carry the people from from their residence to the working places and working places to the residents. This must be the maintained, and during the working time, understand, and the crowd and the traffic now creates, which creates the congestions in the cities and the towns, and commuting becomes a way of the life. Now we know that students, the commuting become the way of the life and the where present source of the possible disruption. And one thing is that commuting. What is the commuting? I have already mentioned that if the people living outskirts of the cities and away from the cities, and every day they come into the city for the different activities and the purpose and the work, and then after the over of the work, they now again back to their residence and the outskirts of the city. So this now requires a constant and the transportation system. I am talking about that. So the commuters are those who every day comes in the thousands of number in the big cities, and after working they again back to their outskirts of the cities, to their homes and the houses. Understand? So now this commuting becomes a way of life. This has now become the way of the life. In the Varanasi outskirts, people living in the outskirts every day come for the work here, and the whole day they work, and then after back to their homes and the houses. An ever present source of possible disruption. Or now even every day they come, they have to be the reach the school, they have to reach the office, they have to be the attend the class, So now this is certainly interrupted. Suppose that one had to attend the class in Banaras University or the living in the Ramnagar and they have to become. So now that many of the transition congestion or the traffic and the jams, the students not possible for the students to reach in time to the classes, attend the classes. If the school bus goes far away from the schools and brings the children. So now the the traffics now and the jams creates the big troubles for the children to attend the classes in time. Understand? So this transportation system and the residence is the one of the big problem, and for the commuters and for the those students who are the living outskirts of the cities or even within the cities, they are the facing the everyone is facing, whether the working class or the working class or the officials or the businessman and everyone. Now transport system has a direct impact on the quality of the life, and it's at the direct your quality of the life working people in the cities. Now reliance on the road transportation. Now there is two things: one, road transportations, understand, or in the road transportation, or especially on the private rather than the public modes. The reliance on the road transport and especially on the private people, especially now they prefer the private transportation rather than the public modes, uh, like the cars rather than the buses. They prefer the cars rather than the buses, and that creates a problem of traffic congestion and the vehicular pollution. And this private preferring the private vehicles or the private conveyance, so this now creates the much trouble in the cities and the towns. Understand? So now for example the 50% support that sitting in the bus, okay, 50% can be the uh, 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 can be carried, okay, but if this 50% personally they take out the vehicles and the cars and their own own their transportation. Understand? What will be the 50 more buses, 50 more cars or the auto or the other conveyance transportation will be the come on the road and the create the jams and congestions. So now the public bus is the much more convenient. Understand? Or the and this can reduce the public transportation can reduce the jams, understand, or jams or the traffic problem in the cities and the towns. Because and the privates, the as will be the clear to you from above discussion we have seen that apparently simple issue of the distribution of living space is actually a very complex. On distribution of the living space, people's living in the scattered area or the scattered places or a very complex and the multi-dimensional aspect of the urban life. The peoples are living in the different places or the different areas. Understand? This also creates examples or the complexities in the life, a complex life. Moreover, the forms and the content of social change in the urban, we see that very different forms and the social change that happens in the urban area. Understood in relation to the central question of the space. First thing, the main problem so far we have seen the central question of the space, the area, space. Space in the towns, the living space in the town, the central only very visible elements of the change is the ups and downs experienced by the particular neighborhood and the localities across the world. If you see world, the city centers or the core area of the origin city, the city centers, the core area of the cities across the world, we have seen a phenomena that now the people, central cities, okay, are not preferred, and the peoples are now preferring the settle away from the cities for the pollution point of view, or for the peace and the tranquility. The peoples are now living in the living the core area. Origin city has had many changes of the fortune. Core area of the cities have the changes after being power center of the city in 19th and 20th century. These core area of the cities became the power center of the 19th 20th century. City centers went through a period of decline, and then after we see that these city centers now decline. The dense area, the mid of the cities, I am talking about that. The mid or dense of the city through the period of decline in the 20th century. The mid of cities now began to decline. People now did not prefer to live in the mid city. They prefer now the away from the cities or the outskirt of the city. The peoples now live preferred, and this was also a period of the growth of suburbs area. Understand, suburbs as a affluent classes, the affluent classes, the well-to-do class, well-off class. Understand, they now prefer to live in the suburbs. Understand, the area at the area attached or adjacent to the cities means the outskirts of the cities. They prefer affluent sub area, and the deserted in the inner city for suburbs for variety of reasons, and they and this tendency now deserted the central area or the mid area and the core of the cities. Now there are so many reasons behind that: the pollution, the dense population, and the congestion, this and traffic problem. All because of that, these peoples are now or the affluent class prefers to have their residence outskirts of the mid city. And moreover, city centers are experiencing a revival now in a many major western cities, or the attempts to regenerate the community life and the and arts bear fruits. Understand? So now these in the western country we see that in the heart of the city, the mid of the city, the core of the cities are being again regenerated, being attempts to regenerate the community. In the western countries, understand, the government is trying, many organization is trying to regenerate the community, and the related phenomena is a gentrification. And another related phenomena now developed now, gentrification in the mid of the cities. Understand, where there is the dense populations, there is the now substandard peoples live there, lower classes jumbles peoples live there. Understand, and this is the a process of the a related process of the gentrification. What is this? Which refers to the conversion of the previous lower class neighborhood. Gentrification means the previously lower class neighborhood. Now in our Varanasi also you can take the example that now lower classes classes where there are the lower classes neighborhood into a middle and the upper class one. Means gentrification means the around the lower class people, where the lower class people are, we can see that multi-complex buildings are being and apartments are being established, and around that you can see that we can see just adjacent to them these the complex. Understand, lower class and the sub standards peoples are living around that. But this process of the making and constructing the complex or the apartments near that lower classes people or the lower class neighborhood, this is the process of called the process of gentrification. Understand? Or why this now fetch the much the profits to the builders and to the constructors. Understand? So we can see that if this process is the now in the process in Varanasi, we can say the many complex and the yeah, multi-story buildings and the complex are being constructed, and the just beside the lower classes people and the lower classes settlements. We can see and you can absorb whenever you now move anywhere in the cities. You can absorb very mindfully because being the students of sociology, you should now observe these things. Understand how the settlements and why the settlements are here. Understand? One thing is that at the real estate prices, why I talk about that? Gentrification. Now the settling near the slums area. So now these estates prices rise as the estates. It becomes the more and more profitable for the developers to try and effect such the conversion. They now the builders now get the much profits after the conversion of these places. At the some point, the campaign became the self fulfilling as the rental values increase and the locality acquires a critical minimum of the prosper businesses and the residents. Okay, and but sometimes the efforts may fail. Sometimes this kind of the efforts may fail. Why? In the neighborhood goes back down the class scale and the returns to the its previous status. And now sometimes this kind of the planning also fails. I understand the also fails because a fails neighborhood goes back down and the class scale. Okay, neighborhood go back down and the class scale, and as a result what happened again this area comes to its previous state. Okay, next is that we have to be the study for the changes in modes of the mass transport. So now we have to be in the town and cities we are living may bring about the significant social changes in the cities. Many significant changes could be brought the affordable, efficient, and the safe public transport. Affordable, efficient, or safe public transport can now public transport makes a huge difference to the city's life. Okay, huge difference to the city's life of the city apart from the influencing the economic fortunes. Many scholars have written on the difference between the city based on the public transport. Now the many differences and the many the instances had been given. The city because the city life or its transportation completely depends on the city lives and the way of living completely depend on the transportation system, completely on the transportation system. But this transportation system now transportation system or now the difference of this transportation system. One example, many scholars have written difference between the cities based on public transportation like the London. For example, take the examples of the take the examples of the transports public transport London or the New York, cities that depend mainly on the individualized car based transport like the Los Angeles. So here is the life we can compare London and New York. Understand? Or depends mainly transportations on the London or the New York city that depend mainly on the individualized car based transportation like the Los Angeles. It remains safe to be the same. Example, whether the new metro rail in the Delhi will significantly change the social life in that city. Okay. Now one thing is that, but the main issue is regarding the social change. This is a main issue. We have to be the talk generally whether the now this brings the changes in the patterns of life, what that whether you depend on your private conveyance or whether you depend on the public conveyance or the public transportation. So this now determines the way of the livings of the cities. Further, or we are trying to, or we have to be the understand that how the transportation system affects the whole of the city life. Many scholars written on the, for example, between the cities based on the public transport. Cities, the cities where the more and more people are using the public transport, means the government's transport or the public transport like the London or the New York, where the peoples, most of the peoples of these cities now they travel in the buses. Understand? Or on the other hand, cities that depend mainly on the individualized uh, car-based transportation, like the Los Angeles. Here the people use it mainly. The people use their personal and the private cars. It remains to be the scene. For example, or next take the example of our Delhi metro rail will significantly change the social life in that city. So now the Delhi and the metro rail is bringing about a social changes in the patterns of the living and or in the way of the living by the metro city, or the main issues regarding the social change in cities, especially in the rapidly urbanization countries like India. And now in our country, understand the main concern of the study or the changes of the social changes, because the subject matter of the sociologist, because now a rapid changes is happening in our towns and the cities, and particularly the our country is being as developing countries. A rapid changes is happening. Cities, transportations, and the many Western way of the life. The peoples are now we are in the process of emergence. We are not developed, understand, but we are in process of the developed countries like the Western countries. We are in that process, and moreover, the especially in the rapid urbanization countries, it how the city will cope with the constant increase in population. The one thing is the major problem, the social problem in the towns and cities, how to cope with this rising population, how the to meet these rising problems, where every day thousands of people come to discover and come to seek a new settlements in the towns and cities. How can this be the result? And moreover, as a migrants keep streaming here, the migrants from the adjacent and the far away are the streaming in the country or streaming in the cities and towns, internal migration, through the internal migration in the add to the natural growth. And this migration, a streaming of the migration is now adding a natural growth of the cities and the towns in our country. The students say we have seen that so far how the cities, so you have to be the focus that transportation, a space problem in cities, commuters who are the coming in the cities from the adjacent area, understand, or the transportations, public transportations, which is the more convenient for the cities, public transportation or the private transportations, understand, or the spacious problem or gated community, understand. To show the different kind of the social structure and the social changes, because like the urban development in the towns and cities also, understand, there are so many religious groups, caste groups, communal groups, understand, or they prefer, they have their own preference, own thoughts and their ideology. So that's why under this there must be and that gives a different kind of the social orders and the social changes in the towns and the cities. Many are influence of the modernity that also affects the social life in the cities and the towns. Understand? The students, we have seen that, and this is the last. This is the this chapter now ended. Today, this was the last topic to discuss about that. So, particularly, I suppose that once you go through the reading, then many things we can understand, and moreover, uh, you are the going to now. This is the last topic. The next day, from the next day, we shall start our study about the Western sociologist. Understand? The Western sociologist, they how they study. Understand? Or how study emerged from the next day. We shall see. So the here is the, I suppose that 10 questions are in the exercise. So if these 10 questions answer, you shall now write down, note down, or the write down your long registered copy. Okay, one thing. Second thing is that these all written the glossary. Understand? The main terms. Now I have already mentioned in the chapter first. The terms, that is the name, the terms of the sociology. All sociological terms must be the defined, well defined. Like the here, I am just going custom duties and the tariffs. What is this? These terms must be explained. Then the dominant caste. Who are the dominant caste? This is the sociological terms. Many terms say when you study, those terms must be the well defined. Second thing, gated communities. What is the gated communities? They will now you have to gentrification. Now ghetto or ghettoization. Ghettos. Understand this term has been the devised during the Second World War, between the Second World War, or used for the Jews. Those were the ghettos, ghetto, ghetto area. They had been the a particular people. If the particular community and the people are forced to live in a certain particular area, understand, and deprived of the many amenities or the civic amenities. So this area is called as the ghettos. Understand? And now let's the legitimation, the term legitimation. Many times when I taught you legitimation, these terms come before you. Understand? So you should now well define these terms and know where. Understand? That means the make the clear concept of that. Here is a not problem of understanding, problem of the terms understanding, the meaning of those terms understanding. If you now define, moreover, the mass transit, the terms, understand, the mode of transportations. So these terms you will now get the learn very well. So you will focus your study on the terms, okay, and the 10 question has been the given here. The question that will exercise in the exercise, so you will now find out and try to find out the answer of this question, and in the long register copy you will write down. Okay, that will be the where on that will be the enough practice for that. Understand? Enough, no need of that. Okay, the students, now I am going to close today, or the next day we shall see about the Western. I suppose the Western socialist or the Indian socialist you have to study. The Western socialist we shall start. Okay, thank you very much.